Y'all know this definitely took me out of my comfort zone. Y'all know I'm real quick to throw on a 1B27, 1B30, but honestly, this 99J is giving. And y'all, I really outdid myself. I'm honestly shocked, to be honest. I mean, this unit actually looks really good on me. I know sometimes we can be really intimidated by color, y'all, but I'm telling y'all, do not be afraid to step outside your comfort zone because you might end up slaying like you never done slayed before, okay? The lace was really easy to blend into my skin. I think this is the first time I've ever had a Swiss lace unit, and I actually really liked it, y'all. I just went ahead and plucked apart a little bit more just to open it up just a tad. I plucked a little bit more in the front here, and then I just put some concealer down the middle and also some powder too. Y'all, this hair is so soft. This is some really soft, nice hair. Like, I am speechless about this hair. Chef's kiss. This is probably one of the easiest installs I've ever done. Do not sleep on the T-part lace units. Even though you're not able to part in multiple ways, I feel like the color and the texture of this unit speaks for itself, so you really don't have to do a whole lot.